family. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. I hope everyone is having just a productive and a wonderful week. But question for you guys. Do you really love my hair? Or do you even really love your hair? I found that during my lock journey, and this is what this whole channel is about, my lock journey, this is what I can speak about, that when I started my journey and my locks weren't as long, there were a lot of naysayers, a lot of people that didn't like my hair, a lot of people that were like, oh my gosh, because when my hair was relaxed, it was quote unquote good hair because it was, it was not long, but it had a good length to it. And everyone was saying, oh my gosh, your hair is so short now, your hair is so short now. But I found that now that I've had my locks going on 6 years now, almost 6 years, now that it has reached a good length, a considerable length, it's not that long, but it's considerable enough. A lot of people are coming out of the woodworks now loving my hair. When people say they love your hair, especially when you have locks, do they love it because they love locks and they love natural hair and they love the texture of your hair, they love the size, they love the look of it? Or do they love it simply because of the length? Do you get what I'm saying? Like, I am guilty of this, and I realize in a lot of the African American communities, and I don't want to be too stereotypical, but when you see an African American with longer hair, people tend to be more drawn to it because of the length. Because the perception is that African American hair doesn't grow to a significant length. It's not that common. So when someone says they love your hair, are they loving it because of the length, or are they loving it because they love the natural hair, they love the natural texture, they love the style that you're doing? And just be careful with that, because if you are new to locking your hair and you're a new locker, make sure that when you are in the process, in the journey, that you're loving every stage of it, even the short stage where your hair is not that long. And try not to rush the process by putting all these crazy things in your hair because they're supposed to grow your hair. But try not to rush the process to achieve long hair and you miss out on the fun styles and the fun things that you can do with shorter hair. Love the short process, the fuzzy process, the entire process. And when your hair gets much longer, still love it. But be wary of those people, especially if you have long locks now. Be wary of those people that's always saying they love your hair, because sometimes they just love it because it's long, not necessarily because it's healthy, or not necessarily because it's locks. They just love it because of the length. It might be a little bit confusing, and I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. And I'm not trying to throw shade at anyone. I just like to share my journey and to motivate those that are starting their journey or motivate those that are on the journey right now. But when people say they love your hair, do they really love your hair, or do they just love the length of your hair, the perception, the length of having locks? I know, it's like a concept that is basically saying, of course, if they love the length, they love my hair, but not necessarily. Some people just love the length. They just want to see long hair, but they might hate locks. They might hate natural hair. But just because it's long, they are intrigued by the length, they're obsessed with the length, but not the process of achieving that length. So my caution to you guys is make sure you are enjoying the entire process. Make sure you are enjoying the entire journey. Make sure that, if someone says they love your hair, still accept the compliment and be thankful. But just be wary of those folks that just love length rather than love the natural hair process. In the comment section, comment below. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys understand what I'm saying, if you guys have a different viewpoint, if you disagree, but we can discuss it in the comment section, because I love having conversation in the comment section. Let me know if you understand what I'm saying and what you guys think about this idea, because I'm guilty of it also. When I started my lock journey, I would see people like Narissa Irvin and her hair would be long. But when I loved her hair, did I really love it because she had locks, or did I love it because it was so long? And to be honest, in the beginning, I know I loved her hair because of the length. But now I love her hair because she embraced her natural beauty. And it's just the styles that she does, the texture, the fact that it's just natural. That's what I love about it. So, leave your comments below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys think I'm totally crazy. And that's it, you guys. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media sites at Kaya Journey everywhere. And if you guys want to see more about me, Snapchat, you guys. I just got introduced to Snapchat, and I'm snapping like crazy. Like, the shenanigans that I can't show here, I usually show it on Snapchat. So don't forget to check me out there. Thank you guys so much for watching. And like I said all the time, make sure you guys are always enjoying your journey.